Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super exciting and a little bit different. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably spend a lot of time on social media, whether it's scrolling through Facebook, watching YouTube videos, or checking out what's trending on Twitter. But what if I told you that time on social media could actually make you money? Yep, you heard that right. Imagine getting paid for the things you're already doing every day, liking, sharing, commenting. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a program that does exactly that. It's a way to turn your social media time into real income, and it doesn't require any special skills or fancy tech. So if you're curious about how this works, how to get started, and what the potential earnings look like, then stick around, because I'm breaking down everything you need to know. Alright, let's dive right in and explore how this all works, and if it's the right fit for you. This program called Get Paid for Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube is designed for anyone who's social media savvy, giving you the tools to start earning for activities like liking, sharing, and commenting. We'll walk you through what it is, how it works, and how you can join this growing community of people turning their online time into real dollars. So, how does it work? This program connects people like you with companies that want to improve their social media engagement. They're looking for enthusiastic users to help expand their reach. The best part? You don't need any advanced skills, just your existing social media accounts and some time. Tasks vary and could include liking posts, sharing content, or even leaving comments. The program handles the connections, making it easy for you to get started. Joining is simple. First, register on the program's website. You'll fill out a short profile, and then you may need to complete a quick online training. This training covers the basics of completing tasks and navigating the platform. Once you're set, you can start applying for tasks that fit your schedule. This flexibility makes it ideal for anyone with free time, whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or even working a full-time job. You choose your own hours and work when it's convenient for you. Let's look at the pros and cons of this opportunity. On the plus side, it's flexible, easy to start, and doesn't require special skills. But there are some limitations. The pay may vary, and it won't make you rich overnight. And, like any online program, it's essential to make sure you're joining a legitimate platform. Research thoroughly, read reviews, and go in with realistic expectations. Curious if people are actually making money with this? Meet Emma, a student who's been able to cover her monthly expenses, and Mark, a stay-at-home dad who brings in extra income for his family. These real stories show that people from all walks of life are finding ways to earn from this program. If you're ready to see if this could work for you, take a closer look at the program. Visit the official website, the link is shared in the description box, explore testimonials, and learn how this opportunity could turn your free time into a side income. You're already scrolling, why not make that time pay? Remember, your time is valuable. Start making the most of it with Get Paid for Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Turn your passion for social media into a rewarding side hustle. All the best and see you in the next video.